Brighton, good morning.
My country people, I greet everybody. This is now the voice of your homeboy, Prince Dr. Ogiwonyi Brightons. I'm the MD CEO and the chief inventor of all Brightons Electronics Company products.
So, which message you bring from Brighton this morning?
My country people, for Brightons Electronics Company, we dey make some product locally here for Nigeria. We dey manufacture Brightons inverter. Brightons inverter na something go fit give you light, carry your fan, TV, go fit carry AC, borehole, depending on the size where you dey buy. And we dey do am with our solar panel, wey fit give you 20 years, we get 20 years shelf life. We no dey drag thunder, so go fit give you constant power for your house. We still dey do the brightness alternator booster, wey go make you fit dey iron with your generator, make your generator no quick spoil because of those wey be tailor and fashion design. So we see they do so many products for Brightons Electronics, now just to mention some of them.
So discount day for this period?
For Brightons Electronics Company, because of the too many calls from customers, we don't decide to start another promo. We start yesterday, 17th of December. The promo go end on the 17th Friday, January 2020. I want to let you know, say this promo be say you go fit buy our product, you go deposit a minimum of just 50,000, then we go give you 4 months where you go take dey pay the money small. So that means if you dey pay the money now, the promo price you go take buy am. So even when the promo don't finish, now that same promo price you go take buy am because you deposit 50,000 naira before. So you go dey pay small. But if you pay them 4 months, we dey give. If 4 months end, you no come fit pay finish the small payment wey you dey do, that's the installment payment, we go give you extra grace of 1 month. So that extra grace of 1 month go make everything come become 5 months. But at the end of the 5th month, you never still fit pay small finish. Now the normal price of the product you go come take buy am. Then for those wey wan dey use the product, make dem dey pay again, that they call higher purchase for Oyibo. That one still dey. That means you go pay 60% of the money, then we'll come tell you make you pay the remaining 40% within 3 months. That's higher purchase. Then you wey dey hear our voice, if you dey use our inverter, you get like 800 VA Brightons inverter wey no dey carry fridge or freezer or borehole. You go fit return that one wey you first buy before, as long as say na our product then we go upgrade to higher capacity.
So your product is satisfied by a standard organization because of the health hazard?
And the truth be say, we dey always dey beg Nigerians say people wey dey like to use all this wet cell battery, e no dey very good for body and for inverter, because let me now let you know, as a medical doctor fully registered with Nigerian Medical and Dental Council, I wan let you know say almost all this battery for inverter na lead acid dey take dey make them. So if you dey use wet cell, you discover say either the water go dey drop, the level of the water dey drop for the battery, or you dey see white powder on top of the battery body. That shows you say the vapor dey evaporate into that room or office where you keep the inverter, so with the battery. So I wan let them know say that thing not good for body, because as you dey breathe am inside your nose, you go come dey with time you get what they call effect of lead acid poisoning. Even you wey dey hear my voice, tap am for Google effect of lead acid, you go see say e fit cause lung cancer, respiratory cancer, bronchitis, respiratory problems. So that's why we dey say Brightons Electronics dey do dry cell. Now make Standard Organization of Nigeria tell us say battery we go make for Nigeria must be dry cell, so that you no go dey get any health hazard issue before they come give us certificate.
So what will be the difference of your inverter solar charger control and from the one we be say dey for market? What will be the difference?
And the difference be say our inverter we deliberately make in such a way be say e dey carry AC, television, borehole, depending on the size. Then e get inbuilt thunderstorm facility because of rainy season time. Then e still get circuit breakers wey be say e go prevent the inverter for short circuit problem or fire outbreak. Then e still get double system cooling fan. Then the solar panel wey we dey sell follow am na solar panel wey no dey drag thunder, because thunder na still source of electricity during rainy season. So why let them know say because the panel no dey drag thunder, if not be you get the house, you no need to dey buy thunder and rest of our own solar panel. You no need to still dey re-earth the house wey you no get. So if you wan pack go your permanent site, you go still fit carry am go. And again, the shelf life of that solar panel na 20 years, but our warranty for the solar panel na 2 years. Then for the battery, you can export our battery. You can use our battery with any foreign inverter or locally made inverter. You can even export it to neighboring country because it get Standard Organization of Nigeria certificate for the battery. So now say a job be all the product wey they do, we do everything according to Nigerian weather because of the solar panels.
So tell us about the Brighton booster iron.
Okay, for the pressing iron, I wan let una know say you wey dey hear my voice wey be tailor, dry cleaner, fashion designer, or you get hotel, they dey do laundry services for your hotel. I wan let you know say each time when you dey plug that pressing iron for what we call heat element electrical material, that your gen go dey do this glee dragging sound. So that thing dey strain the bearing, piston, alternator shaft of your gen. Your gen go dey make one noise, waste fuel, bring smoke. Then you go need to buy half engine. So I wan let una know say this booster no be say go come make your gen wey first dey make noise before turn to soundproof o, no be so o. And again, if you wan use the booster, you go, if you wan know the aim of the booster be say e go minimize the surge wey be dey go down your gen, no be say e go remove all the surge. Then the booster, if you wan know whether e dey work, remove your pressing iron from the booster, plug am directly to your gen, then still plug the iron on the booster. You will see the difference when the sound of your gen go do. You will see the difference. You know say e dey work. If you dey doubt my voice, we even get Dakina wey dey near our office wey dey use I pass my neighbor gen till the iron close, till they do our business. If you come, you go see am with your eye.
So training dey on ground for now.
Well, as part of our team what we dey do for our company corporate social responsibility, we don dey teach people how to make some of our products. So if you dey hear my voice, you be proprietor or proprietress of school. We don start with some schools already. I no wan mention different schools name on air, but wetin we dey do be say the science students will teach them how to dey make the brightest analog inverters. Then from SS1 to SS3, then those wey dey for wey no be science students, we dey teach those one how to dey install the inverter with solar panel may take charge battery, or public power take charge battery, or generator take charge battery. So we dey teach those one installation. Those wey dey university wey hear our voice, if you come do your IT or industrial attachment program, we go still teach you how to do practical oriented programs. Then you wey dey outside wey wan come learn how to do inverter, I wan beg Nigerians o, if you no sabi read and write, e no get how we go take teach you how to do that inverter, because exam dey wey you go write. So if you no sabi read and write, no bother to come o, because we no go come fit teach you how to read and write there, because exam dey, theory dey wey you must to write. So I wan let am know say if you pay for your pikin make come learn how to do the inverter wey dey go build by itself, you go carry am go house go show your papa and your mama say see wetin I do with power for brightest electronics. Then I wan let una know say we don dey do made in Nigerian bulb o, energy saving bulb for brightest electronics. The bulb na 5 watt and 12 watt. So if the bulb go dey make your prepaid meter no dey quick dey finish your card o, buy the brightest 5 watt energy saving bulb. So that bulb e shine light pass the normal 18 watt bulb wey dey market. Then the 12 watt bulb shine light pass the normal 40 watt bulb wey dey market. So I wan let una know say that energy saving bulb good for your inverter, make your battery no dey quick dey run down. E still good for your prepaid meter. Come our office, the bulb dey available.
So where be the office?
Brightest Electronics Company dey number 30 Federal Government Guest College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. And we dey open our office only on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday only, because we dey use Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday to dey do production of product based on our staff strength. Then our phone number na 080 894 62794. Make I repeat am, 080 894 62794. Our MTN number na 080 3581 5348. That is 080 3581 5348. I got the people. I greet you now.
So those are the message we say Brighton give us.